Feeling lost? Tired of controlling everything in life? What if the answer is not in fighting, but in surrendering? Let the Bhagavad Gita show you the path to real freedom. Many of us are taught to hustle, control, plan everything. But what happens when life doesn't go as planned? Anxiety, fear, and stress take over. In the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna gives us a powerful solution: surrender. Arjuna, the great warrior, was broken. Even with strength, skills, and knowledge, he felt powerless. That's when Krishna says something profound in Bhagavad Gita chapter 18, verse 66. Abandon all varieties of dharma and just surrender unto me. What does surrender mean? It's not giving up, it's letting go of ego, letting go of the illusion that we are the ultimate doers. It's accepting that behind everything is a divine intelligence, a loving guide, Krishna, God Himself. Why surrender works? When we surrender, we gain clarity. We act, but leave the results to God. This removes fear of failure, pride of success. Both are chains. Krishna tells us, do your duty, but offer it to me. I will take care of the rest. How to surrender? Chanting or mantra meditation. For example, letting go, say, Krishna, I trust you with this. Reading Gita daily, even 5 minutes a day, keeps your mind connected to divine truth. Result of surrender. You'll feel light, peaceful, not lazy, but energized with purpose. Life becomes service, not stress. Krishna says, do not fear. I will deliver you from all sins. Just surrender. Let go of the need to control. Let God guide your life. Final words. If you've been struggling, confused or anxious, maybe it's time to stop fighting alone. Try surrender. Krishna is waiting with open arms. If this message touched your heart, share it with someone who needs it. Subscribe for more teachings from the Gita. Hare Krishna.